What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, some few years ago, like in 2022, Advocate Tefo was arrested in court. This was such a dramatic scene that it went really viral across the entire country. And whilst being arrested, Advocate Tefo pointed to Behiceli to say that he is the reason behind him being arrested. This is what Advocate Tefo said.
During the arrests of Tefo, he leveled allegations against Police Minister Peggy Cele. Watch.
Why are you being arrested?
They arrest me because I'm in this case.
Okay.
That's it, that's it.
Is this why you're arresting him?
Yeah, Peggy Cele doesn't want me in this case. You see? That's the reason. He's got a warrant of arrest from January. Why he didn't accept
What are
it?
the charges? What are the charges?
I don't know the charges.
Have you raised it?
The arrest today of the defense advocate, many are saying it is malicious. He, of course, says it is linked to the Senzo Meyiwa case. And the conspiracy is that there are senior officers, politicians, including yourself, and those in high office in the NPA who are allegedly not happy with the way that he is handling this case.
And as well, I received the message on the phone from the spokesperson, Lorenzo, saying that the advocate has been arrested. And a few minutes later, at 3:41, I received the message that the accusation is that the arrest is pushed by the minister, Begitsel, and others. Then I immediately touched the National Commissioner to get a full report of what happened. And then I wait for that report until I know what really happened. I'm not able to comment on this matter.
Yeah.
So if you saw what was happening there, Advocate Tefo was arrested and he was not told why he is being arrested. It's just so surprising considering that Gininda is saying when you get arrested, you're actually given a warning statement. But in this instant, there is no such a thing as a warning statement, and Advocate Tefo was actually asking as to why are you arresting me, and he wasn't even being told that. This arrest actually came when Advocate Tefo was actually talking about docket 375, and at that time the court itself was on docket 636, so it was more like Advocate Tefo was getting out of the rail. And it is due to that docket 375 that Advocate Tefo points to it to say that it's one of the reasons why I was arrested. So basically, you heard him say he's waiting for the full report. But what is surprising is that Behiceli actually saw this clip, and this guy has leveled an allegation against him. But he's waiting for a report from the National Commissioner for him to actually comment on this. It's just so surprising. What's even more surprising is that that reporter actually came out and was given to it, and he never bothered to return back to actually clear the air on why Advocate Tefo was arrested, or maybe to address those allegations by Advocate Tefo against him. But looking at the evidence itself, there is not a single evidence whatsoever that is out there that points out to Behiceli to say that he wanted Advocate Tefo to be arrested because of being his involvement in the Meyiwa trial. Behiceli is not involved in any single thing whatsoever in the Meyiwa trial. So maybe seeing that his hands are clean, he saw it fit to just ignore Advocate Tefo and just move on with his life. Because if you know yourself that you are like not guilty at all, you are just conscious free and you just move on with your life without even caring. It's different from someone who knows that there is smoke out there and they will try by all means to put out that fire. For Behiceli, there is no smoke whatsoever. One of the issues that was also hot during that time was that the accused were offered money so that they implicate themselves. this was like being talked about by the relatives of the accused, and they were saying they were offered money and stuff. But with the time itself, that story sort of like died out on its own. But going back to Advocate Tefo, it was heartbreaking to see him being arrested like that, because if there is no proof that you did this or that, there is no reason for you to be put in jail. And after he was released, because this video clip just shows the time when he was arrested, after he was released, there was no information that was ever released as to why he was being arrested at all. So you can just see that Advocate Tefo at that point, he was treated very, very badly. But Bheki himself, he was actually promising to solve the Meyiwa case, and he was doing everything that he can within his control. But unfortunately, you couldn't solve the case during the time when he was in office. And obviously, he is not to blame for that, for failing to solve the case, but he was really advocating and pushing very hard to solve the case. So this is what happened between Advocate Tefo and Bheki. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.